Track 2, Lil Loaded Oatmeal, inspired by Lil Uzi Vert, Loaded. Half cup, quick 1 minute oats, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of walnuts or almonds, half cup of blackberries or blueberries or raspberries, 2 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, dash of cinnamon, optional, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. This recipe provides 350 calories, 11 grams of fat or 14% of your daily value, 1 gram of saturated fat or 5% of your daily value, 0 milligram of cholesterol, 60 milligram of sodium or 3% of your daily value, 59 grams of carbohydrate or 21% of your daily value, 6 grams of dietary fiber or 21% of your daily value, 0 sugars, 8 grams of protein or 16% of your daily value. Oatmeal is a great staple of any breakfast dish. It is rich in soluble fiber, which helps to reduce cholesterol. The key with oatmeal is to implement portion control. Measure out your portions or use packets of unsweetened oatmeal to keep sugar and calorie intake under control. This recipe is made from the Quaker Oats Quick Oats and allows you to add healthy ingredients such as walnuts and blueberries. Allow the fruit to flavor your oatmeal, but if you're tempted to go sweeter, make sure to use moderation. Add eggs or make a protein shake to increase the protein content of your oatmeal. Load it up, toss it up, and enjoy it. Directions: makes 1 serving. Add half cup of quick oats to a bowl. Add 1 cup of water and mix. Place in microwave for 1 minute. Remove from microwave and add nuts, fruit, and toppings of choice and enjoy.